What are you guys doing?
We're reading Trashy Town.
Trashy Town.
Trashy Town.
Want to read Trashy Town?
Well, Alistair thinks he's in charge of reading Trashy Town.
Oh.
He's the boss.
He's got a Wawa there, huh?
Where's the Wawa? Where's the Wawa?
Oh.
There's a Wawa. There's
Oh, that's a Wawa?
Yeah.
What's this guy?
A dog.
A dog.
What's this?
Oh, the Wawa.
That's a Wawa.
Oh. And it says,
What does it say?
dump it in, smash it down, drive around the trashy town. Is the trash truck full yet?
What do you say?
I
Oh.
Yeah, I gotta get a Wawa now. Who's this?
You.
That's a deer.
Oh.
I could have sworn it was a mouse, but now
Very
it's a deer.
interesting.
You.
Deer,
Is
huh?
dumping the truck out.
Interesting.
Okay, so we say, dump it in, smash it down, drive around the trashy town. It's a trash truck full yet? What do you say? Say no? You say no?
No.